Hi, my name's Mark. Thanks for watching Membership Websites. How do you add drop-down links to your main menu items? Let's go first of all to the admin area and let's go to Toolbox, then Menu Manager. Let's customize the main menu. So let's click on Actions and then Customization. In this section here, let's add some drop-down links to the words Member Directory. So to do that, click on Actions and then Add Menu Item. We're going to add two. Now just hover on the dots of the new elements and just drag them in slightly. So we're going to put members in the first one. And in the second one, we're going to put businesses. We're just going to put a default URL in. We're going to save the changes. We're going to go back here and refresh the website. Now when we go down here, we've got members and businesses. We can also create a second level from each of these. To do that, we simply go back to the main menu, click Edit. We're going to create a second level just for the word members. So again, Actions, we're going to add two menu items. We're going to pull our menu items in by just hovering the mouse on the dots and then just dragging the element in. And then we're going to put the words find and then search. Again, I'm just going to put in a default URL. You don't need to at this point, but I just do it anyway. Save changes. Main website. And when we refresh, we click on members, we can see find and search appear there. So that's how you create drop-down links from the main menu. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.